Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you that how can you password protect your PDF file. So right now I have this PDF file, and if I just try to open it, I'm simply able to open it by clicking on it. But suppose your PDF file contains some sensitive information and thus you want to password protect it. So what you can do? So for this we have an online tool available. So what you need to do is go to this link ilovepdf.com/protect-pdf, or you can simply just Google I love PDF space protect PDF or password protect PDF, and this link would be opened. Once you're on this link, you can just select the file that you want to password protect. I want to password protect this file, so I'm just clicking on it to open. Then you need to type the password which you want to protect your file with. So I am just typing 12345. If I just show you the password, it is 12345, and I can just reconfirm the password. It's not very strong, but that's okay for us now, and click on protect PDF. Now let us just download this file and click on save. So once it is downloaded, we can see the password protected file is over here. If we just try to open it, it will ask us to give the password. So if we type in some wrong password, like I have typed 1234, it is showing that it is an incorrect password. So again, let us just try by typing the correct password 12345, and then we are able to access this file. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.